You must have definitely seen this viral baby dance video all over your timeline. It's on TikTok, on YouTube. It's very funny, cute, and it's pulling millions of views. In today's video, I'm going to show you one powerful app that can help you create this dance video in minutes. But a quick disclaimer, this method is not so great for baby characters, okay? I have tested almost all the platforms that many of your favorite gurus have made this tutorial about. The issue is that most of them are no longer free and they don't let you create this video without paying. That is exactly why I did my own research and decided to make this video. And you already know how we do it on this channel. I don't gatekeep. So if you love trendy AI tools and viral content strategies like this, like this video and subscribe because massive value awaits you. Now let's dive in. To generate this type of video, the very first thing we need is an image. So go to your Pinterest app. I'm currently on mine. On the search bar, you're just going to type Nigerian lady or African lady, or you can type any country of your choice. Now I'm going to search for an image where someone is wearing a cultural attire. I think this one is cool. This is Tomike Adeoye. I love this her picture, so I am going to work with it. I'm just going to download it right away. So once you've gotten any picture you want to work with, just download it. And to do that, click on this three dots right here and tap on download. And this image will be saved to your phone gallery. Once you've gotten your picture, the next step is to convert the picture into an animated image. And we are going to use ChatGPT for that. So open your ChatGPT app. And this is what the interface looks like. Tap on this plus sign right here, select the image from your gallery and let it load. Once the image load up like this, you're going to give this a prompt to create the animated character. This is the simple prompt that I use. Generate a 3D animated character image of this photo. If you want to change the dress, the hair, the color or the background, you can add that to your prompt. For me, I don't want any changes. I just want the photo converted into an animated image. Once you are done, tap enter. ChatGPT will generate the animated image. This might take a few seconds or minutes, especially if you're on the free plan. This is the image ChatGPT generated and I am okay with it. To save it, tap on the image to open it fully, then click save. This image will be saved to your gallery. The next thing we need is a dancing video and we are going to get that from our TikTok. So open your TikTok app. In the search bar, type dance. You will see a lot of suggestions. Click on any of them and you will find plenty of dance video. This is the first one I am seeing and I like the creator. If you have a favorite creator, you can search for their video instead. For me, I'm just going to use this one. To download the video, tap on share. Now there are two ways to download TikTok videos. The first one is using the download button, but that will save the video with a TikTok watermark and we don't want that. So we will use the second method. Click on copy link, then go to Google and search for TikTok video downloader. You will see different options. Any of them works fine. Paste the link and download. This will save the video to your device without a watermark. Now let's animate the video. This is the app we will use to animate our image and replicate the dance motion. Download that from Play Store or iOS Store, then sign in with your Google account. I have already installed it and I have already signed in with my Google account. So I'm just going to open it. This is what the interface looks like. Click on the plus sign and select mix. Here you are going to upload the TikTok dance video and here you are going to upload your animated image. If you don't want to use the original song, you can upload a different audio. You can also change the background if you want. I am not adding any background for now. Normally adding a background helps when removing watermarks later. This app adds its own watermark when you download the video. I will show you another way to remove the watermark watermark shortly. Now click on to generate and wait a few seconds for the video to process. Quick advice: if you want to animate a baby character, it's better to use a baby dance video. That usually gives better results. Here is an example. The dancing videos is mute to avoid copyright issues, but you can see the result. It looks funny because the platform is trying to resize the baby character to match the adult. That's why I don't recommend this platform for baby dance video. It works better with adult animated characters. Now that our video is ready, click on it to preview. As you can see, the video look really good. Go ahead and download it to your device. Now the next step is to take this to CapCut to edit. We will be removing the background and the watermark. So open your CapCut app, tap on create a new project and upload the video. Click on the video, scroll down and tap on remove BG, then select auto remover. Once you are satisfied, click the check mark. Now the background and logo are gone. Now we need to add a background. Click on the video. Go to background, select colors and choose any color you like. I'm going to be working with this white color right here. And once you've selected your desired color, click to apply all and confirm. That's it. Our video is ready to export. Click export and your video is done. No glitches, no distortion, clean and smooth. Congratulations, you've made it to the end. Go and try this and tag me in your video. If you got value from this tutorial, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any of my upload. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video.